spiritual master is not a new invention, it is simply following the order of the spiritual master. So all my students present here who are feeling so much obliged, I am also obliged to them because they are helping me in this missionary work, and at the same time I shall request them all to become spiritual master. Every one of you should be spiritual master next. And what is the duty? Whatever you are hearing from me, whatever you are learning from me, you have to distribute the same in toto without any addition and alteration. Then all of you become the spiritual master. That is the science of becoming spiritual master. Spiritual master is not to become a spiritual master is not very wonderful thing. Simply one has to become sincere soul. That's all.